let me show you how to quickly add an email signature in Yahoo Mail. So all we need to do is come up to the little cog here, which is the settings, then come down and select more settings. Now on the left hand side you want writing email, then in the middle here you should see signature. Toggle this on so it's blue. Now you'll be able to add an email signature. You will be able to write anything here. You'll also be able to change the text font and everything else with these buttons underneath. You can also add an email link like this. If you look on the right hand side here, this will be a preview of your email signature. You can just toggle it off at any stage if you don't want it anymore. However, that's how to add an email signature in Yahoo Mail. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash the like and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more helpful videos like this one.